Hello, everyone. Matt Brandenberger here with the FWCS Integrate Ed team. Going to walk you through the process of adding a content block and under messages and activities, adding an assignment with a Google document that is embedded within. And it's a great way to share it out with your students so that they each get their own copy. But to start with, we're going to first get a document into your Google Drive. I want to show you the process of taking a Word document. It's really as simple as clicking and dragging a Word document, or if you don't want to click and drag, if you click New and click File Upload and grab the document from your computer. In this case, I had just downloaded a grade 5 mentor text resource from the curriculum. And if I open that up, you'll see that it will upload it into the Google Drive. Once it's complete, then I can open up that text and you'll see that it's still a Word document. It's just letting me preview it in Google Drive, but it's still a Word document. But if I click up here where it says Open With and choose Google Docs, this will now let me view it as a Google Doc. Now, keep in mind, this does not change it to a Google Doc yet until I do this next step. And the way you can tell is, see, it still has this .docx and it says Microsoft Word format there. But once I go to File and then click on Save as Google Docs, I'm able to have my own copy of this Google Docs. This Google Doc, you no longer see that word.word dox. So now I have this grade 5 mentor text that is a Google Doc that I'll be able to use in the LMS for the next step that I want to show you. So I'm going to go back to PowerSchool. I've got all these tabs at the top, but I'm going to PowerSchool. And just to start over again, so you can see this fresh from the top, I'm just adding a content block. I'm going from not content, but over to messages and activities, and I'm choosing assignments. I will just call this practice assignment. This is just a block. And then I'm going to title this assignment mentor text. And then I can go down, can choose the schedule. You see all these options before, but here's the key piece that I want to show you today. If I say attach from Google Drive, what I can then do is grab, it's the top one because I last modified it just a minute or two ago, and I can grab that text here and select it. And now it gives me some options. I have the drop-down menu here where I can choose either read only, comment, collaborate, or PDF. And read only would be just if you wanted your students to have a copy of it to be able to view it. Comment would be if they would be able to make comments on the side so that there could be some interaction. Collaborate would be if you're sharing the same document, you're all wanting to work on the same one together. In PDF, really the same as the read-only one. It just creates a PDF copy of it. But the real power in this, if I leave it on one of these top two options, is to click this handout button. And when I click handout, it actually will allow me to give my students their own copy. So when they go to this assignment and I save it for them, they'll be able to click on it and it will create this same document, but then it'll put their name at the end of it. And not only that, I'll go ahead and save this. It will also save it for them in, I got to hit save one more time to actually create that block. It will actually save that document for them in not only their Google Drive, but in your Google Drive in a shared folder. And the way you get to that, if I go back to my Google Drive, and you will see a folder that's automatically created for you that is called PowerSchool Learning. And if you go into that, it shows you your active classes. I have this Brandenberger practice class, and then you can see just different examples of ones that I've done before here. So as soon as the student is on the document, they click on it, it will create a new copy of that in this shared folder. So you're able to see these. Then it is a live document. You're able to see them even in real time. You can open up this folder and see how your students are working on their individual documents. So I hope this helps, kind of that process of taking a Word document, putting it in Google Drive, and then using the LMS to embed it in an assignment that you can then easily see right within your Google Drive. A nice, clean way to have all of your assignments in one place. Again, hope this helps. If you have any questions, reach out to me or any of your other technology coordinators, and we'd be happy to help. Have a great day.